In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on GMGN. So the first thing you'll need is a GMGN account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check that out. Now, after this, what you want to do once you're logged in with your account, you want to simply find a random meme coin you would like to buy. So, of course, this is up to you. I will just show you how to do it on one of the trending meme coins over here. But of course, do this at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. I would just like to show you how to buy meme coins. So, once you find one you want to buy, click on it. And from here on the very right, it will likely be an auto over here. What you want to do is click buy over here, and you can then put in the amount. So for example, 0.1 Sol, and then it says low balance, please top up because I don't have enough Solana on my wallet. But if you do, you'll be able to just click buy over here, and just like that, you'll be able to buy meme coins. Now, of course, you can sell them as well, and you can set auto over here, which will perform auto trading, but those are more advanced features. And if you just want to buy, you can click over here and then just buy from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.